I was not a complaint. I have given my representation to BBMP saying, my lords, if my lords recollect, my lords, there were certain buildings that fell down in Bangalore, my lords, due to weak construction.
Right.
I issued a WhatsApp communication inside my welfare to the residents
In the residence.
in the residential group only. And I have asked everybody to maintain their construction within, my lords, the prescribed limits. Subsequent to this, the people who, my lords, are members of the WhatsApp group, the complainant has proceeded forward to issue legal notices saying, if you are going to support the petitioner in his case before this honorable court, then a next case will be filed against you. He has proceeded to, my lords, lodge another complaint before the jurisdictional police station against me for the atrocities case. The complainant, my lords, has lodged a case against 240 individuals under the provisions under, my lords, the Atrocities Act. An FIR has come to be registered after 2 days upon deliberation by, my lords,
2 days is not fatal,
no, my
sir.
lords, upon deliberation by the Dalita Sangha Samiti.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ.
The allegation, my lords, in the complaint is that a notice has come to be issued, and I am the president of the welfare association, the residents layout association, my lords. The complainant is a resident there. According to him, at my behest, a notice has come to be issued by the BBMP because there is some violation on his construction. As a counterblast, my lords, an FIR has come to be registered against
ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, my lords. According to him,
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಬಿಬಿಎಂಪಿ.
I was not a complaint. I have given my representation to BBMP saying, my lords, if my lords recollect, my lords, there were certain buildings that fell down in Bangalore, my lords, due to weak construction. At that juncture, my lords, I issued a WhatsApp communication inside my welfare to the residents
In the residence.
in the residential group only. And I have asked everybody to maintain their construction within, my lords, the prescribed limits. The BBMP, my lords, has come forward. They have issued notices to all, my lords, not only just the complainant, many other people there. But, my lords, the complaint has come to be registered under the Atrocities Act, saying, my lords, that all these things that are happening at your behest. Subsequent to this, the people who, my lords, are members of the WhatsApp group, the complainant has proceeded forward to issue legal notices saying, if you are going to support the petitioner in his case before this honorable court, then a next case will be filed against you. He does not stop.
ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು?
Well, he himself has produced it in his.
All right.
He has proceeded to, my lords, lodge another complaint before the jurisdictional police station against me for the atrocities case, despite, my lords, giving an undertaking before this honorable court that he would not do so. The police, my lords, have called me for an investigation the second time, and, my lords, have more or less, my lords, closed it on the guys, my lords, that this is a second complaint on the same cause of action.
What happened to the first complaint?
Is stayed before,
this
my
is
lords,
the-
please, my lords.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದು. Second complaint, my lords, they have not, it's
ಅದು ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ.
it's in the nature of a report. Petition ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It's in the nature of a report. Other than this, the complainant, my lords, has lodged a case against 240 individuals under the Atrocities Act.
Have you pleaded that here?
Please, my lords. I have produced the copies of the orders also, my lords.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
Please, my lord.
ಹೇಳಿ
My
ಸರ್.
lord, for example, producing synopsis, my lord, sir.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord, if my petitioner's land council, if he wants to receive any orders from IA,
ಅಯ್ಯೇ.
interim order ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, my lord.
ಸರಿ.
If he wants to receive any orders from IA, he has to produce document
Correct.
binding with law. The document which is produced by my land petitioner council is fake, and the remarks is there from this honorable court stating that it is a photostat copy, it is not original, and let him complete that order, my lord. And
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ,
moreover,
ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ? ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ನಿಮ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
my lord, merits ಏನಂತ?
ಈಗ ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು, my lord.
ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹೌದು, madam.
ಅವ್ರ ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
My lord, ಅವರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ is not
ಅಯ್ಯೋ
mentioned.
ಆಯ್ತು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಲ್ಲ,
madam.
ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
And the same document is referred to district courts, and it is under
ಈಗ
investigation.
ಇದು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇದಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಯಾವ್ದು, my lord?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
His case is binding on that fake lettered, my lord, unregistered lettered.
ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು
And my
ಅಂತ.
lord, my petitioner, he was habitual in extorting money from under construction owners. Myself is one of the victim, and he is not a social worker. He used a fake unregistered letterhead. It is with me, I'm not.
ಆಯ್ತು.
He uses fake letterhead without date, addressed to BBMP and signed by 20 members. And he insists that he is the president of that full total area. And he extorts money, whoever starts construction building in that Bapsapalli, that in that layout. He tried with me also, he was not successful in that, my lord. And moreover, he tried to extort money from my friend who started building. He informed me. I told him not to give him money. And he took one BBMP notice and he approached him stating that Gururaj is also receiving a notice, but it's not in my name. And he exhibited that document to that person and he informed him that Gururaj also received BBMP notice. So his house will be dismantled. So you must give me extra money. So that he informed me. I called him and asked, this is the matter, my lord. Why you using my name to extort money from other innocent building customer? You use your, whatever it is, you use your name. So at that stage, my lord, he abused me. See, in this, see, I am representing my delicate association. Till date, I did not use this SGST section against anybody, my lord. This is the first complaint from my using this abuse of caste. This is the first case, my lord. He is telling I am habitual. No, I am not habitual. Let him prove. And he is telling he is filing a complaint against 240 members. So, my lord, one case was there. 96 associations, each association there were 10 members. They used fake registration documents to seek reserve money for developments of scheduled caste movements. So I lodged complaint against them. I lodged only 140 members, because 2 members I took, because 960 members the court cannot accommodate. That the thing is, it's my liberty to complain against whoever violating SCST laws, my lord. It's my liberty. If I file any false complaint, let him prove. If there is any affairs, let him prove. If there is any defamation case, let him prove. And my lord, my strong objection with and request is honorable court, my lord. I lead honorable court intervention to restrain him from framing false allegation against me. Due to the false allegation, I am taking scoldings from this honorable court in this open court. I can inform what scoldings I received from me. Yes, sir. I will tell now, sir.
I told you.
Yes, sir. That scolding I took.
Scolding.
Sir, yes, sir. I will tell what the scolding I will tell now. I ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ sir, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. Are you not be harmonious in society?
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ sir, ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆದೆ. ಆಯ್ತು. Respecting this court, sir. Why to take unnecessary scolding in this open court, sir? He is framing falsely. Sir, if at all it is there, let him lodge complaint against me, sir. Let him lodge complaint. If it is any evidence, let him lodge complaint. He is giving oral complaints again. I cannot respond to that complaints, my lord. Let him lodge complaint. I will respond to that.
All right. Merits ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
ಇಷ್ಟೇ sir. ಇಷ್ಟೇ but ನಡೆದಿತ್ತು sir. ಘಟನೆ ನಡೆಯಿತು. This is the first complaint from my side in my 65 years. Please sir, please consider this, sir. And pass that IA, sir. It is not maintainable. The document which is produced to receive IA is already in PCR, through PCR. The district court directed ACP to conduct investigation. This is the main subject, my lord. Please.
All right.
He was extorting money. He was not a social worker. Let him prove any one letter to show that he is a social. There is no one PAL against any person. There is no any complaint to BBMP. Nothing, sir.
Heard,
please, sir.
Yes, will pass out.
Obliged.
Next.
For 10.
For the petitioner, your lordship. Section 5 and 12 of Karnataka. Hello. My lord. Section 5 and 12 of Karnataka Prevention of Cow Slaughter Act and Section 11B, your lordship.
Your lordship.
What's the ground, sir?
Grounds is that.
A dispensation ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈಗ ಇದು?
ಅದು entire proceedings.
Order sheet.
Order sheet.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Lordship. I have filed dispensation.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇ.
7/8/26
ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Charge frame ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
7/8/26 is the next date.
Next date.
For framing of charges.
Yes, sir. ಹೇಳಿ.
Lordship, the investigation commenced prior to the registration of FIR, your lordship.
That's all right. 157. Next.
Your lordship,
ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ?
One cattle, one cow, your lordship. Your lordship.
Where did you purchase it?
From one Timmappa.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು?
Your lordship, the state confession statement, your lordship.
Where?
Lordship, kindly.
Where is the statement?
Confession statement before police, your lordship.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅದು? You can't search here.
Lordship, I marked it, your lordship, I missed it.
You should flag it and mark it and come.
It was removed, your lordship. Lordship, kindly see the statement of the one seller, your lordship.
Puneet.
Timmappa,
Pavit Shetty,
Timmappa Pujari,
page.
page 37. That is,
Abhijit PC, Timmappa Pujari.
yes, your lordship. ನಾನು
ಕಟ್ಟಿ
ಮೇಲಿನ
ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ ಆಪಾದಿತ ಸೋಣ
ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ.
ನಿವಾಸ್ ಇಮ್ರಾನ್ ಜೊತೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಸು ಮಾರಾಟ
ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಗೆ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಹಗ್ಗದಿಂದ ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ.
The petitioner is before the court calling in question proceedings in CC 151 na? CC ಏನು?
151.
151 of 2026 registered for the following offences. The allegation against the petitioner is that he was carrying a cattle for the purpose of a cattle which becomes the ingredients of the production of cattle act so and so. The learned, if it is illegally taken, the learned counsel for the petitioner takes this court through the statement of the person who sold the cattle and the manner in which it is sold, page 37. In the light of the said statement, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings qua the petitioner till the next date.
Great.
Next.
Number 11.
This is the regarding the lesser measurement in the auction site, my lord.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Now review.
My lord, I filed a review. The writ petition was disposed of on two grounds. They said, my lord, prior to filing of the writ petition and prior to auction only, they had executed the sale deed in favor of third person and the commissioner did not have the power. But I brought it notice, my lord, after the interim was granted, 2 months after the interim order was granted, they
So
executed.
sold to someone else.
No,
That
and
is
the
a matter of
commissioner
fact. That's a matter of fact.
No, my lord, kindly see the site
Interim
was,
order date ಹೇಳಿ sir.
my lord,
Interim order, my lord, was granted on
21/6/2022.
21/6.
2022.
ಸೇಲ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಸರ್?
6/8/22.
My lord, ಇಲ್ಲ.
I produced the sale deed, my lord, along with my review petition, my lord, at page.
Site was allotted, my lord, on 5/10/2019, my lord.
ಆ ಸೈಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ
ಆರ್ಡರ್
site ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ.
This is the site number 2 is allotted on 5/10/2019. Sale deed was executed, my lord, on
ಅಲ್ಲ
6.
ಈಗ ಈ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
Allah, the problem is, my lord, I was misled. They auctioned a property of whole block. I purchased, I paid the entire amount. They executed this.
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹುಡ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರದ ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಸ್
They said, my lord, commissioner did not have the power to allot an alternative site. Commissioner, my lord, has the power and executed 10 sale deeds, alternating sites where auction purchases have suffered so.
ಈಗ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
My lord said, refund ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ.
They agreed, my lord, that.
ಓ
to
ರೀಫಂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Because they on the submission that they made.
for the difference amount. And they agreed to retain the available area and for the remaining.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು?
But the problem is, my lord, they on the submission that the council made that commissioner did not have power. I undertook, my lord, that I will withdraw.
ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್
Commissioner, I have said there is no provision in the act, my lord,
ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್?
for the allotment of alternate site to the corner site, my lord, auction site.
ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
It was produced along with additional document, my lord. In the
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಸೈಟ್ಸ್.
The power, ಎಲ್ಲ corner site, power, the document number 1 at
ಅವ್ರು
page.
ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದು said that there is a resolution, BD ಇಂದ resolution ಆಗಿದೆ alternate site ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆ resolution
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
my lord, earlier ಹಿಂದೆ
Well, pass an order.
my lord, ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾರು
The petitioner is before the court seeking review of an order dated 2nd September 2025 passed in the subject petition. The writ petition comes to be disposed on the following order. Page 8 to 10 of the order. A review is preferred on the score that the BDA has misled this court in directing refund of the amount to the petitioner on the score that there was no provision under the act to grant an alternate site to an auction purchaser of a corner site. The learned counsel for the petitioner has now produced about 10 sale deeds of grant of alternate.
Resolution itself is produced, my lord, at page
Page?
18. Page 18. 1 acre.
Resolution
has
was-
produced the resolution of the BDA, which grants permission, which accords permission for grant of alternate site to all the auction purchasers of the corner sites.
No, my lord, it is only for the particular person, my lord. it was-
Particular, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Corner sites. The learned counsel for the respondent submits that it is only for a particular person it was done. If it is done for a particular person without any provision in law, it cannot, though in law there cannot be negative equality, but the BDA has chosen to frame the law on looking at the person. The petitioner is also one of those auction purchasers. He is also entitled to an alternate site as is granted to others pursuant to a resolution. Why the petitioner is being singled out and why before this court it was contended that there is no power is to be explained by the BDA. The explanation shall be by way of an affidavit of the commissioner of the commissioner of the BDA by the next date, list the matter next Friday.
my lord, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಆಯ್ತು
2
ಸರ್.
weeks.
ಆಯ್ತು ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. List the matter on 20th August. Yes.